this chorus. And I don't care if you don't like them or you're sick of them. This is my channel. Get off of it. Damn it! What's going on with my keyboard? It must be a demon. It's a demon. I hope it didn't damage it or something. That's why it's not working right. Because that's like the third time that's happened to me. I know I just changed the batteries too. Hold on one second. This is the really, really bumpy part of the road that they don't fix for some reason. It doesn't make sense why they don't fix it, because this is like one of the wealthiest parts of Nashville. This is Green Hills. Green Hills is where all like the hosh posh people live. And so I don't understand why the roads are so shitty. It's just that everything's under constant construction, you know? Because they keep having to add stuff and revamp stuff and tear things down and replace it with more shitty businesses and ugly ass buildings and apartment complexes that look like ass, okay? Where I can drive crazy though, because it's still Nashville. When you drive in a city, holy shit. Maybe that's my problem. I just keep driving in suburbs. I need to just move to the damn city and then I can drive all crazy. Because everybody's driving crazy. Have you ever seen an accident in a city? I've never seen an accident in a city. It's always the burbs. The burbs! There's nothing else going on. You know? Might as well wreck your car and nearly kill somebody and hold up traffic for everybody else. Apparently, it took one of my coworkers like over an hour to get to work because the traffic was so backed up. And there were like helicopters and like people being life flighted and shit like that because it was like some massive accident that involved like 8 vehicles. Like, how is it even possible, dude? But glad I didn't witness that shit because I would have been wrecked. Through the bumpy part. Story of my life. Story of my life. There are way more bumpy parts than there will ever be smooth ones. But it's still fun. It's still fun. Make it fun. It's all you can do. It's all you can do. No, really. I mean that seriously. There's a lot of jokes that I tell. There's a lot of jokes that I tell. As you know, there will be way more. 'Cause God knows the actual score. I'm the one that gets it wrong. I'm the one that subtracts to add. And I'm always multiplying when I really shouldn't be divided. But I was never good at math. I was never good at math. I really need to get up there and do that piano funk thing. That felt really good to do that. I don't know. I kind of wish I could just do that the whole time. I think that I can. Well, it works because it's so simple. And if you say a lie, and they don't expect to get that much out of you. 4 minutes, baby. That's a lot. I mean, that's a lot of shit to get out in 4 minutes. I'm very impressed with myself tonight. I'll probably hate this stuff when I watch it. But when I was up there, it felt good. But like I said, it's probably because I haven't done it in a long time. I haven't done it in a long time, and I got on a bar that I didn't even want to be at. So, yeah, if I have low sea level expectations, I'll probably be more guaranteed to be somewhat satisfied, at least for the time being. Was validated, was validated, was validated. They hate me, they hate me, they think that I'm such a freak, until they see what freaks can accomplish. And then they switch their attitude, be a little less rude about what I got going on. They don't understand where I'm coming from, but maybe they can eventually understand. Maybe that's the goal, right? That's the goal. To bring them closer to you. Yeah, that is the goal, dude. That's precisely it. Well, there was a guy that was in the audience that I know he doesn't like me because he doesn't agree with my politics. But he told me that I had a really great set. I mean, I saw him in the audience laughing. So, yeah. But you can tell when somebody doesn't like you. Somebody like really doesn't agree with you. You can tell. I can tell. I can definitely tell. I'm extremely